This is a multi-purpose conveyor which can be used to transfer the desired product from one place to another place or to print the batch number, MRP, manufacturing date. The speed of pelt can be adjusted through speed pot, minimum, medium and maximum. It can have a maximum transfer speed of 75 meter per minute. It is capable to print MRP, manufacturing date, lot number on formed product, formed sachet and pre-formed sachet. TIJ printer can be installed on this conveyor as well as Inkjet printer can be also installed on this conveyor to have a very good and premium printing of batch number through TIJ and Inkjet technology. Conveyor width can be up to 1 feet to 6 feet and its length can be 1 meter to 6 meter. For details on more product, please contact us at 9999055576 or visit us at www.sutharpactech.com. Thanks for watching.